Welcome to watch Moodle video tutorial part 2, Module 1, Update Learning Modules. Let's take a look on the number of modules we usually have in one course. Get started, welcome, instructor, technical support, resources, reflection, completion form, and thank you are WLD Moodle course templates defaulting modules. Except customizing resources module for each course, we can leave the rest defaulting modules alone. So how about Module 1 to Module 4? They are what we call learning modules. Each learning module covers one learning object of the online course. Now let's see how we customize a learning module. First, make sure your Moodle is in edit mode. Turn editing on. You will notice there will be a pencil icon following the module's name. Click on the pencil, update your module's number and name. Then hit Enter on your keyboard to save the changes. This step is important. If you don't hit Enter, your changes won't be saved. How about learning modules description? You will notice each learning module will have an overview part. Some module will have a list of what learning activities are included in this module. Some modules' learning activities list is replaced by a list of several topics. This is because the learning module is divided into several sections. Each section has multiple learning activities. So how we update the overview part? Make sure the Moodle is in edit mode. Click on edit, edit topic. Update the information based on the existing text can help you keep the same formatting. Now, let's talk about what learning activities we use the most in Moodle course. Module 2, Resource Label. Let's see what label can do for us. Turn editing on, click on Resource, select Label. In this example, we'd like to divide this learning module into several sections. The first one is self-reflection. So let's type self-reflection in general label text area. The template I use for sections name is select the text, apply heading small to the text, make the text bold, change the color to maroon. Basically, the process is completed. But sometimes, each section has a lot of learning activities. Even though we apply the heading style to the section's name, it's still kind of hard to distinguish each section. What should we do? As the example shows, we add a dotted line above each section's name to help the layout. Add a line space above your section's name, click on image icon, locate the dotted line file. The template size I set is width 1000 and height is automatically updated to 3. Alignment left. Save the changes. That's it. Second, use label to embed video. The instructions are the same as in the YouTube tutorial. Embed a YouTube video to your Moodle course. Third, use label to insert an image or infographic. Same instruction as how you add the dotted line image to the label. Module 3, Resource URL. The same as the name shown. This is for embedding a link to your Moodle course. Select URL from Add a Resource. Paste the URL link at external URL area. Input your link's name to general name area. Review the restrict access and activity completion. Save the changes. Module 4, Resource File. What if we want to add a document to the Moodle course? Select File from Add a Resource. Input the document's name in general name. Drag and drop your document to select files area. Check restrict access and activity completion. Save the changes. Module 5, Resource Page. Let's see what does a page look like in Moodle. Basically, page looks like a web page. Commonly, we use page if we have tons of text and we neither want to put the text into a document or let the text takes up a lot of space in the module. Let's see how to add a page in Moodle. Select page from Add Resource, input the page's name in General Name area. Copy and paste or just type the content of the page in Content Page Content area. Check Restrict Access and Activity Completion.
Thank you for watching my video. If you have any questions or comments, please write below to let me know. Thank you.